Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. You're looking at the UDS 224 Universal Excavator Planner on the Kamaz chassis. The design of the machine uses an updated hydraulic system with a main hydraulic pump and drive from the PTO of a Kamaz chassis at the same time. The functionality is preserved at the same level. The excavator can also perform a whole range of tasks and replace several types of special equipment and needs of their transportation, and a wide range of interchangeable attachments and tools help it with this. The excavator planner can also perform parts of the functions of a 7-ton crane manipulator, allowing them to carry out loading and unloading operations, lift loads to a height, feed them over fences, or lower them into buried objects. After the first pass with a V-shear, all the debris will be on the ground. That's when a new technique from Savannah comes into play, producing its own 1200 series of rotor rigs specifically designed to pick up debris after the cutting process. Here are two groups of rotary rigs, the 12.6, 12.7 for light debris, in the form of short stakes and small stumps, and the 12.40, 12.50 and 12.60 capable of picking up long, full-grown trees and large stumps, and which can also significantly level the ground surface. When it comes to working on a construction site or transporting equipment, it's important to have equipment you can rely on. Meet the Humbo tandem trailer. Why is it so special? Firstly, its dual axle design. It's ready to handle heavy loads, and it also makes your job easier with a low loading floor that's only 2.29 feet off the ground. That means loading and unloading your equipment becomes much easier with a 9.5 tonne capacity. The Humbo turns difficult tasks into easy ones. Have you ever wondered how you can simplify your work? Humbo offers a solution. It is outstanding to witness the power of huge technological machines, which, as if possessing their own, will take on red-hot materials with their bare hands. Their ability to manipulate such materials without difficulty is simply impressive. Bale 150 grabs bales in the same direction. Your baler places them in the field by clamping the size of the bale, eliminating the need to drive crosswise across the field or move bales across the ground into position. The bale clamp quickly pulls the bales off the ground, reducing the amount of stuck debris created when the bales slide on the ground. It's fully adjustable for 3x3, 3x4 and 4x4 bales. And the spring-loaded bumper has multiple settings for different bale lengths. Roller forks stabilize the bales on the platform and ensure tight and even stacking. This guy is definitely in his element when it comes to lawn care. His enthusiasm and joy in the process is contagious. He's not just improving the lawn, he's enjoying every minute of it, proving that caring for nature can be a source of true happiness. The soccer field aerator will transform your lawn by creating microscopic holes in it for better oxygen access to the roots. Its high performance ensures uniform aeration over the entire area, making your lawn healthier and more resilient. This video explains the installation process and the final result of cotton irrigation with smart siphons. The smart siphon replaces manual siphons, increasing efficiency and productivity throughout the cotton farm flood irrigation industry. Smart siphons connect to a 3.5-inch diameter pipe through a bank with a rotating lever and riser. Each group is activated by turning the lever from the vertical position to the horizontal position. The rate of total flow can be adjusted by inserting adapters into the riser and by adjusting the height of the head. Each of the siphon groups can be started and stopped either by pressing a button on the controller or via an app on the cell phone. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.